The Ohio Department of Job and Family Services is happy to introduce the JFS-Ohio Benefits Provider Portal tutorials video series. This series consists of 6 video chapters. This video is Chapter 3, using the County Worker Chat Center. Once you are logged into the Provider Portal, the chat feature can be accessed in the upper right corner of the screen. The number of unread messages received will appear next to chat in a black circle. Click Chat, and the County Worker Chat Center will display. Please note that this is not a real-time chat with a county worker. You can filter results by updating the from and to dates, or by selecting a participant's name. Unread messages will display in bold. To view a message, click on the description hyperlink. Here, we are selecting a message, and we'll see the original message sent by the provider, followed by the county worker response. To respond to a message, type your response in the free form text box that displays. Type your message here and click Send. Messages may also be printed by clicking Print. To send a new message to the County Department of Job and Family Services, click New Message in the upper right-hand corner of the box. When you click New Message, the participant search will display. To begin your search, select the appropriate option from the Service Category drop-down menu. Please note that the options available are based on the provider information. Once you have selected the service category, the Service Type drop-down menu will appear. Choose the appropriate service type. Next, the Activity Number drop-down will appear. Once an option is selected, the participant name drop-down will appear. Once you have chosen the participant, the final drop-down will appear, Program Name. Lastly, select the program from the Program Name drop-down menu and click Continue. Next, the County Worker Chat will display. A field denoted with a red asterisk is required. The Description drop-down menu is a required field. The description options are Activity, Appointment, Assignment, Fiscal Good Cause, Narrative, Non-Compliance, Supportive Services, and Other. Select the option that best matches the purpose of the message. The other option should only be selected if the rest of the options are not appropriate. Enter your message in the free form text box and click Send once finished. Your message has now been sent to the county worker.